Yeah, they keep driving through. Oh. Okay. Yeah, these people probably think we're just coding so we can take pictures. Hey, I saw a camera, but... Excuse me. Just a casual code for an injured child. Between Beach and Telegraph on 9 Mile on Nancy. It's about halfway between Beach and 9 Mile. What's these cars? God damn.
Somebody off. This is Dave acting like an asshole, taking part of the oncoming traffic's lane.
Okay, this is just slowing down so we don't get blasted through the light. Heading straight for somebody else. And narrowly missing.
That's Mount Vernon on the right. Pull a lot of codes out of there.
Keep 2 eyes open so I can make sure we're not...
Lincoln and Greenfield.
These different sirens going through to get people's attraction or attention.
Something like that.
Yeah,
We're
something
only
like
EMTs, we don't know.
Yeah, something like that. This will be an interesting one, seeing that it's a red light and everybody's piled up. Let's see how they get out of our way. And they don't. Here we go, here we go. Little kid in the back seat. Come on, move that thing. Come on.
Dave going over some curbs. That was for you, Ma.